Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. I have a top loader washing machine. Its brand is Panasonic. Let's see what is the problem. Press the power button. Yeah, start. Yeah, there is just noisy, but a pull starter is not moving. So pull starter is not moving. So unable to wash. Okay, let's try to spin mode. Yeah, I set it to the spin mode, then start, but press the start button. Let's see. In spin mode also same things, there is noisy only, but drum is not spinning, so it's unable to dry and unable to wash also, this problem. So for to solve this, we have to lay down this washing machine. Let's see how to fix it. Yeah, after lay down it, then I have found this belt is very loose. See, it's very loose. Yeah, very loose. So that's why cannot wash, cannot dry also. See, I can move by hand. Yeah, so it's very loose. Yeah, see, very loose. So let me remove it. Yeah, so I have to remove it to change it. Yeah, just slowly just move it. Yeah, so it will come out. Yeah, I have removed. Oh, I have to see what is the number. Yeah, this number must be same number to change. This number is M19.8. So I have new belt. New belt also should be same. Yeah, this is my new belt. Yeah, so M19.8. Yeah, let's fix it there. Same here, we have to fix there. Yeah, if we fix from top, so it will be very easy. Actually by two hands it's very easy, but I am doing one hand, that's why it's a little bit difficult. By two hands it's very easy, but then also I can fix it. I hope. Slowly just run. Yeah, done. Yeah, see, it's tight. It should not be very tight, but should be tight, should not be loose. See, yeah. So let's see, power it on, then start button. Yeah, our push starter is moving. Yeah, let's try the spin mode. Spin mode, then start. We have to wait for few seconds because water is draining. Yeah, it's spinning. Yeah, so our washing machine is perfect now. Alhamdulillah. Thank you so much for watching my video. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.